Deadly strikes hit Ukraine again, killing 10 and injuring dozens. Find out what's happening right now and why it matters to you. In the past 24 hours, Russian missile and drone attacks have resulted in 10 deaths and at least 76 injuries across Ukraine. Officials from 5 different regions reported fatalities, showing how widespread these strikes are. Moscow continues targeting Ukrainian cities with regular attacks, intensifying the humanitarian toll. These numbers reveal the ongoing dangers civilians face daily as the conflict persists. Meanwhile, Ukraine's military has successfully struck back, targeting Russia's Primorsk port. President Volodymyr Zelensky confirmed significant damage to the oil terminal's infrastructure. This counterattack demonstrates Ukraine's capability to disrupt Russian supply lines and infrastructure despite the constant attacks on its own cities. The damage to Primorsk threatens Russia's oil export capacity, which has broader economic implications. Drones continue to play a critical role in this conflict. Ukrainian forces recently used a drone to locate and rescue a woman trying to flee a war-torn village, showing innovative uses of technology. On the offensive side, drones launched from Ukraine previously hit Russian air bases in 2022, killing 10 and damaging strategic aircraft. This ongoing drone warfare highlights the evolving nature of the battle and its human impact. The continuing drone and missile strikes deepen instability not just in Ukraine, but across the region. Damage to key infrastructure like the Primorsk oil terminal impacts global energy markets. Political tensions remain high as both sides escalate offensives. For many, this conflict is no longer distant news, but a factor influencing energy prices, supply chains, and geopolitical alliances worldwide. This ongoing conflict means instability and danger persist in Ukraine, affecting millions directly and rippling worldwide. Staying informed helps you understand global risks and economic impacts that could reach your community. Subscribe now to get trusted updates as this evolving story unfolds.